Yuck. Afternoon, it looks like the rain has arrived, but we're gonna miss out the most extreme part of it, though the flooding shouldn't be an issue, I think. But if I look down there, it's getting quite high already, the water, so we're gonna have a look. This is just yuck. I'm soaked already. So what was forecast for today was a code yellow alert for heavy rain and thunderstorms in the area, as well flooding. It looks like we're going to skip the worst part of it. That is going up Benidorm in the mountains, going to stay there, the worst part, and then going to continue towards the north. But it's still raining quite heavy, and there is a really loud thunderstorm in the area. So today I'm going towards the beach a little bit. Want to check out this bit. This is the area that's most prone to flooding. And then I want to continue towards the bars, because as always in the bars it doesn't rain. I think most people are there enjoying some drinks and everything. That's the Newport Benidorm Hotel, under construction still. Yeah, all the water is coming down from the mountains, so it looks quite extreme what is happening, but I think that much. We've seen much worse. So back there, the bars like Rica's, Stag and Pheasant, they're all people inside. Let's continue a little bit down that road and then return through the strip. Want to see a bit how busy it is down there. The bars here, like Rome, are really busy. No one's at the beach today. The lifeguard has left his post. I think no one will go out for a swim today. Just deserted down here. So I'm now on my way towards Tiki beach. You want to see down there, the crowds are still there, present. Maybe they had it all inside. Don't know, gonna check out. And if you like this video, please don't forget hitting the like button. Really does help promoting it on YouTube. Appreciate that. And do subscribe for more Benidorm content. The bars are doing really well there on the beach. Yes. Really looks okay now. It's just a slight drizzle. Wind is gone as well, at least for this bit. Bar down there. Oh, busy people are looking. What is all happening? And this here, this is all water that's coming from the mountains. You can see the branches, the trees and everything heading towards the ocean. It's black almost, the water, yeah. It's mostly sand and everything. It isn't sewer water. Thankful for that, but still it isn't the cleanest as well. This is going under the road near the Melia Hotel and then continues travel underground until up here. You have to go somewhere with the water. Benidorm is all concrete and everything. Nothing absorbs over here. This looks really cool. Near Tiki Beach we have another one of those, a bit bigger one. Also the park which they have down there is used for that as well. Let's go there and I'll show you guys. They got the red flag out, not because of currents or anything, or hard wind or waves, but this. The water that's coming from the mountains, that's taking branches with it and all other kinds of debris. You don't want to go for a swim right now. The ocean is black at this bit at the end of this. And the upcoming days I wouldn't recommend swimming in these bits as well. You're all fine if you go more towards the middle, but not right next to it, and definitely not playing in this. Tiki Beach. Thunderstorm in the background. At least in the bars it doesn't rain. Let's head towards the strip. This area is going to be the extended bit of Tiki Beach. Not a big indoor area. Looks like they're preparing a kitchen as well for some food. They will need it for those rainy days. And also for the busy sunshine days, because it is really busy down there most of the days. It isn't busy at all over here. Did expect a lot more crowds at the bars and so on. If you look down here, California, it isn't any crowded or so. The beach bars were much more popular with people going out there for a drink. Maybe Western is a bit more busy. Let's find out. No, definitely not. It isn't the crowds you would expect. On the opposite there at Wild Duck, it's a bit busier, but ain't anything crazy. I don't know, why is it this calm over here? Normally this trip is really popular, especially with all the Stag and Ends parties over here in Benidorm now. They're mostly in the bars anyways. Many of them are going for some food now. Empty bars. Even while they have plenty of coverage, there just aren't that many people. And Morgan there will be opening tonight. Always closed during daytime. Another bus dropping off tourists, I think. It's only Saturday, too early to get picked up. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video a bit of Benidorm in the rain today. From 4 p.m. it's just supposed to be sunny out again and all comfortable with 21 degrees. And the upcoming week, around 24, plenty of sunshine.